In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data or improving the readability of your spreadsheet, knowing how to create indentations can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheets document. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new sheet through Google Drive. Once you're inside your sheet, the first thing you need to do is select a cell. You can do this simply by clicking on the cell that contains the text or data you want to indent. After selecting your cell, move to cell A3. Here, you'll start by adding 3 spaces before the text in the cell. Now, this might seem simple, but manually adding spaces is the most straightforward way to create an indentation in Google Sheets. It's particularly useful when you want to make a line of text stand out or align it with other indented text. Next up, we need to prepare some room for our indented data by inserting a new column. Position your cursor over the column heading where you want your new column to appear. Right-click and then select the option that says Insert Column. This will move your existing data one column away, providing the space your newly formatted text will need. Now, it's time to head back to your text. Click on the original cell that contains the text or data that should be copied. Right-click to bring up the menu and select Copy. Once you've successfully copied the text, navigate to the new column you just created. Click on the cell where you want to paste this text, ensuring it aligns properly with the intended formatting. Right-click and select Paste. This action will copy over the spacing and formatting you set earlier, effectively creating an indented look. To finalize this process and ensure everything looks tidy, let's turn our attention to the visual elements of our sheet. In the menu at the top, click on View. From the drop-down menu, choose the Grid Lines option. This step is optional, but often makes your sheet look cleaner and easier to read by removing or adjusting the lines that separate your cells. And there you have it. Your data is now neatly indented in Google Sheets. Indenting can make a big difference in readability, especially when dealing with lengthy or complex sheets. Remember to regularly save your work and experiment with these steps to find what best suits your specific needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.